Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and insightful product deep dives. Today, we're reviewing what's arguably the best firming collagen 300 ml body lotion on the market, the Olay Body Lotion for women with collagen peptides and vitamin B3 complex. Let's dive right in. This Olay Body Lotion comes in a 17 fluid ounces bottle. That's approximately 300 milliliters, and it's formulated to visibly firm your skin while delivering 24-hour hydration. It's designed for all skin types and aims to be more than just a moisturizer. It's a skin treatment that delivers long-lasting results with consistent use. At the heart of it is its collagen peptide serum, a powerhouse ingredient known for improving skin elasticity and firmness. Collagen is naturally found in our skin, but as we age, our collagen production slows down. This is where Olay steps in. The lotion is expertly crafted with collagen peptides that provide plumping moisture to help firm the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines over time. It doesn't just sit on the surface, it works deep into the skin's layers for a visible transformation. Along with collagen peptides, Olay has included vitamin B3 complex, also known as niacinamide. Now, this is an ingredient you'll find in a lot of premium skincare, and for good reason. Vitamin B3 enhances the skin's ability to retain moisture and supports the natural skin barrier. It doesn't just hydrate, it helps your skin lock in that hydration. Think of it as giving your skin the tools it needs to stay moisturized on its own. What's also noteworthy is the fast-absorbing formula. The texture is lightweight, non-greasy, and absorbs quickly without leaving any residue. That makes it ideal for everyday use, morning or night, and you don't have to wait long to get dressed after applying. It works well even in humid climates, which is a plus if you're living in tropical or warmer regions. Olay recommends pairing this body lotion with their skincare-inspired body wash, which is designed to boost the effectiveness of the vitamin B3 complex. While this lotion stands on its own, combining it with the body wash could further amplify the hydration and firming benefits. The packaging is pretty straightforward. A tall bottle with a flip-top cap that's easy to use, and compact enough to sit on your bathroom counter or travel with. It has a subtle, fresh scent, not overpowering, which is great for people sensitive to strong fragrances. Another point worth highlighting is its suitability for all skin types. Whether you have dry, combination, or sensitive skin, the formulation is dermatologically tested to work without irritation. That makes it a versatile option if you're shopping for a body lotion for multiple family members or just want something reliable for your daily routine. Price-wise, it's positioned in the mid-range segment, offering solid value for what it delivers. You get a blend of performance and affordability that's hard to beat. For under $10, it's definitely competitive compared to other lotions that offer similar firming claims but cost much more. In summary, the Olay Firming Body Lotion with collagen peptides and vitamin B3 complex delivers on its promises. It hydrates, firms, absorbs fast, and suits all skin types, all while being easy on the pocket. It's perfect for someone looking to boost their skincare routine without complicating it. That wraps up today's review. If you've tried this product or plan to, drop your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a product breakdown. This is Product Critique, where we test it so you don't have to. See you in the next one.